Hey guys, I'm back. Look at Gizmo. This is the DIY that I did on the canopy bed of his that we got for $20. My parents bought it. I put the Gucci fabric on the bottom part. This is the bed. Right there. Here's Gizmo. Move him out of the way. Hey, little puppy. I know. See, you guys, with a little creativity, with a little tender love and care, you can have anything for your pets. All right, Gizmo, get off. Come on, get down. Get down, go. Come on, get down, Papa. You can get down, come on. So they can see. Look. Now he wants to go back on. So now I can put another cushion up there and he can go right back up. Go back up. See? Now he went. Now go back up. It's okay. It's okay. You're a little doggy. You like your bed, I know. See? Beautiful canopy bed. I'm going to put the other piece on top here. But that's what it is. A $20 bed, you can make it look fabulous. With a little time, a little love, and everything. So now he has his little Gucci bed. And I paid for the fabric only $2 or $3. A friend of mine's had it, and I said, oh, this is perfect. It's blue because Gizmo's a boy. And that was it. This is what you can do for the doggy's bed. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my TikTok, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube. Bye, everyone.